Now, Kedar, you didn't send me your syllabus.
हम लोग को अभी तो लोग कुछ बोला नहीं है.
नो लाइक कि अभी क्या पढ़ा रहे मैथ्स में?
फिफ्थ लेसन फ्रैक्शन.
फ्रैक्शन हमने कंप्लीट किया. ओके केदार, आप कहाँ गायब हो जाते हो? उसको क्लास रहता है तभी.
टीचर मेरे रिलेटिव में ना किसका तो डेथ हो गया था ना, इसके लिए हम लोग अर्जेंट में गए थे.
ओके ओके, नो इशू. फिर मैं वो फ्रैक्शन वापस से समझा दूंगी. ओके केदार, एक बार तुम लोग का जो भी कॉमन सिलेबस है ना, एक बार वो खत्म कर ले. फिर मैं वो फ्रैक्शन हो या कोई भी टॉपिक होगा ना, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. ओके. और केदार, जब भी क्लास का टाइम, अभी आपको टाइम टेबल लगाया राइट डीपी में, राइट? तो वो टाइम टेबल यू मस्ट फॉलो. ओके अली, केदार, केदार, आपने टाइम टेबल देखा है राइट, जो डीपी में लगा है?
यस टीचर.
सो उसको फॉलो करो. ओके कहीं फोन नहीं रहे या कुछ नहीं रहे तो मेक अरेंजमेंट अकॉर्डिंगली, कि अभी मेरा क्लास है तो बाद में कुछ प्लान करो. ओके केदार, नहीं तो ऐसे मिस होते जाएगा आपका. फाइन. ओके, सो शैल वी स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज क्लास?
यस टीचर.
Okay, so now I just want you all to know, I'm sharing my this. Our today's topic is what it is. Can you see, both of you? Both of you, can you see? It's a
Yes teacher.
it's a
Multiplication and division.
and it is which lesson in your textbook?
Lesson.
Sorry, fifth lesson.
Third
No?
lesson. Third.
Which lesson?
No
Third.
teacher.
Okay. Fine.
The fourth.
4 lesson. Okay. Whatever it may be. Now, multiplication, what you both knows. Tell me one by one. Unmute your mic and you can tell me what is multiplication.
जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन में सब टेबल से मल्टीप्लाई करने का रहता है.
Okay, सब टेबल से मल्टीप्लाई करने का रहता है, राइट? और नाउ केदार, आपको क्या पता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बारे में?
मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर आता है वो लिखना, मतलब ऐड, सब ऐड करके वो लिखने का रहता है.
Okay. Okay, now you both will tell me, okay? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So इतना plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 करेंगे. So हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Come on, how we can write this in multiplication form? How many 2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 कितने टाइम्स 2 है? ये 2 है. ये कितने टाइम्स है? कैन यू टेल मी? 4 टाइम्स है, राइट? तो हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं डायरेक्ट? 2 4 जा
12.
8. Okay, so this way repetitive addition we can convert into the multiplication and we write the answer. Okay, now one more example. Now Kedar will tell me. Okay Kedar? Kedar, yes, no, I should get your answer dear. नहीं तो ऐसे मजा नहीं आता है पढ़ाने में कि yes, I want जो भी आपको राइट आंसर आता हो, रॉन्ग आंसर आता हो, लेट मीन्स आई वांट योर रिस्पॉन्स. ओके, नाउ 5 plus 5 plus. Now, how should I write in a multiplication form?
So 5 is 25.
So, what should I write first? It is 5. Okay.
So
Then 5. And then how many times the 5s are there?
5 times.
5 times are there. So now your answer become 5 5s are
25.
so this
25.
is, yeah, so this is what? Multiplication, right? Bhavya, good evening, Bhavya. And today Bhavya will not off the camera. I want to see your face, Bhavya. Okay? Chalo.
Good evening.
Good evening, dear. Still you are out of station, Bhavya? Or you came to Mumbai? Bhavya?
No.
Where are you now?
Miss Vadodara.
Okay, still there. But be attentive, okay, Bhavya? सिर्फ only it is about 1 hour. तो 1 hour तो आप time निकाल के बैठ ही सकते हो, right? So, Bhavya, today we are starting multiplication. Where Ali has gone? Why Ali's camera is off? Yes. Ali, nobody going to off the camera, okay? Now, Bhavya, today we are studying multiplication and division lesson. In that we are started with the multiplication. So what is multiplication? Can you see here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5? As it's a number 5, so we have written number 5. And how many it is there? 5 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it is there. So 5 into 5, that is 25. Okay, this way we are doing multiplication. Clear hua ye? And whatever examples I'm giving, just note it down in your notebook. So afterwards you can get an idea ki yes, this way we can do it. Right, both three of you? Bhavya, you should not see here and there. Please be attentive. Now, now see what is multiplication. Okay, we will see whatever number is there that we multiplying with same number, or that how many time it is repeated. Now, Bhavya, read the question. What the question is there? Loudly.
Tom buys 3 cinema tickets costing £5 each. How much does he spend?
Okay, so how it will be? How many cinema tickets are there?
3.
3. And each cost is means 3 is there, right? And what is each cost? £5 each cost. So what you will do? 3 into 5. That is 3 5s are. I want 3 of you's answer. you
Yeah,
all
15.
you all can unmute. There are not so many students, so there will be a noise. Okay, you only 3 are there. I want your answer. You unmute your mic and give me the answer.
15.
It's a 15, right? Got the answer? Ali, got the
Yes.
answer? How to do? 3 cinema tickets are there. Costing £5 each. Each मतलब एक टिकट का कॉस्ट कितना है? 5 rupees. So ऐसे how much does he spend? 3 tickets लिए and एक टिकट के हिसाब से 5 है. So what we will do? 3 5s are 15. So he has to spend how much money? 15 pounds. Clear? Let's move.
Yes.
Alisa, you got it? How to do this?
Yes.
Okay.
So repeat the question.
Yes. See, Tom buys 3 cinema tickets. Okay. How many cinema ticket he buys?
3.
3. And costing £5 each. एक का टिकट का प्राइस कितना है? 1 टिकट. Each मतलब एक टिकट का प्राइस है 5. तो टोटल उसने कितना अमाउंट स्पेंड किया? अभी उसने 3 टिकट लिए तो 5 rupees फॉर 1 टिकट, 5 rupees फॉर अनदर टिकट एंड 5 rupees फॉर थर्ड टिकट. सो ऐसे उसने 5 rupees के कितने टिकट लिए? 5 pounds के 3 टिकट्स लिए, राइट? सो हाउ वी विल राइट नाउ? 3 into 3 into
3.
नहीं
5.
5
into five.
कितने टाइम? यस
3 into 5 teacher.
3 into 5 क्योंकि 5 कितने टाइम्स है? 3 टाइम्स है. और टिकट कितनी ली है उसने? 3 लिए. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे 5 हाउ मेनी टाइम इट इज रिपीटेड? 5 है, 3 टिकट्स है और कितने की है? 5 rupees की. तो 5 कितने टाइम रिपीट किया गया है? 3 टाइम. सो 5 3s are 15. क्लियर हुआ? केदार आपको समझा?
Yes teacher.
अगर नहीं समझेगा तो हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे. फर्स्ट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड इट. ओके, बोथ ऑफ 3 of you.
Yes.
Yes teacher.
Okay, let's see the next.
Yes teacher.
Now you could add each ticket, so you would this way only. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Clear? So how you will write that? If you are repeating the same number in addition number sentence, so this is the multiplication. 5 was there how many times? 1 2 3. So 5, first you have to write the 5 single number, and how many time it is repeated? It is repeated 3 times. So we are writing 5 into 3 is 15. So here 5 3 times. 5 3s are 15. So this is about the multiplication. समझ में आया?
Yes teacher.
Now, who will tell me this answer? Kedar, read the question.
Sam has 4 plant spot. She want to plant 2 beans in each pot. How
Okay.
many beans must she buy?
So, what is given? Sam has 4 plant pots. How many pots are there?
4 pots.
4 pots. 4 plants pots. So, pots are how many?
4.
4 are there. And she wants to plant two beans in each pot. Matlab 4 pots are there. How many pots are there? 4 pots are there. And what she wants to do? How many? 2 beans in 4. So 4 pots you can say, and 2 beans in each pot. So how it will be? So how many beans must she buy? 2. Yes, directly you can say 4 2s are 8. And how many beans? 2 in one pot, 2 in second pot, 2 in third pot, 2 in fourth pot. So 2 plus 2 plus 4 and 6 and plus 2 is 8. So हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 4 pots are there and 2 beans in each. So 4 2s are 8. Clear? Bhavya, Kedar, Ali, clear?
Yes.
केदार क्लियर होगा तो यस बोलना, नहीं तो बोलना मैम एक्सप्लेन मी अगेन. ओके?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's see. So this way we can express the multiplication of any word problem and whatever it may be. Okay? Okay. So now let's see. You could add the Sam want to plant 2 bean each pot, like 2 beans in one pot, 2 plus 4 6, and total how many it is? It is 8. Okay, and then what you will do? 2 how many is a 2 kitne hai yahan pe? 1 2 3 4. So 2 into 4, that is 2 4s are 2 4 times. That 2 4 times, what is 2 4s are 8. Clear?
8.
Clear? Next. Now Bhavya will tell me. 5 judges each give marks a score of 10. How much did the score all together? 5 judges were there. How many judges were there?
5.
5 judges were there. And each gave 10 marks. So what should I do here? Only Bhavya will answer. Each gave marks a
5
score
into
of
10.
5 into 10, that is 5 tens are 5. How many times? 5 10 times. So 5 tens are
50.
clear. 5 into 10. 5 tens are how many? 50. 5 judges give marks a score of 10. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So this way, 10 how many times? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Because 5 judges give 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So that is 10 5s are 50. Clear? 10 5 times. Now, Ali, answer the question.
Yes, teacher.
There are 6 sunflowers in the garden. Each sunflower has 5 petals. How many? There are now there are 6. 6 sunflower in the garden. 6 into 5. So that is 30. Very good.
30.
Understood. Now it's Ali's turn. Kedar, now it's your turn. Unmute your mic and let me know the answer. Read the question first.
A large taxi can carry 10 people to the party. If 3 taxis are
Arrive
arrive at the same time, how many people are arrive at the party?
Okay, so taxi carries 10 people, okay, to the party. If 3 taxis arrive at the same time, so what you will do? How many people will arrive at the party at the same time? यहाँ पे 10 people है, यहाँ पे 3 taxis है. Now tell what to do.
To multiply.
Multiply. Which number?
3.
3. So what will be the answer? 30.
30.
Very good, 3 of you. Nice. So this is about the multiplication. So hope you all understand multiplication very well. Okay. If the word problem would come, so you are easily able to solve it. Yes, 3 of you. Now next. So let's see some. Now we will see few. Let's see your textbook. Okay. What is given in your textbook? This was just a general idea and basic explanation about the multiplication. Let's have a look in your textbook.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Wait, dear, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, wait for a minute. Wait, I think network is too low. Give me a minute. I'm sharing the screen. If the time will get over, no, again join on the same link. Okay, 3 of you.
Yes.